Looking for the best car amplifier to power your ride? In this video, we break down 5 top-rated amps that combine power, clarity, and value to elevate your car audio system. Let's begin with the Boss Audio Systems Amplifier. This amp has earned its reputation as one of the most affordable and reliable options for boosting bass in entry-level systems. It delivers a peak power of 1,100 watts, with a stable 2-ohm output and a MOSFET power supply that enhances switching efficiency and sound output. The variable low-pass crossover and bass boost allow for fine-tuning your subwoofer response, while high and low-level inputs make it compatible with a variety of head units. It's a Class A/B amp, so you're getting a balance between performance and heat control. If you're on a budget but still want to feel the thump in your chest, the R1100M is a fantastic starting point. Next up is the SKAR Audio MONOBLOCK Class D amplifier. SKAR has built a solid reputation in the car audio world, and this amp shows exactly why. It's capable of producing 1200 watts RMS at 1 ohm, making it perfect for powering subwoofers that demand serious juice. Its Class D circuitry makes it incredibly efficient, meaning you'll get high power output without generating excessive heat. The amp includes advanced features like a bass EQ switch, subsonic filter, and low-pass filter, all of which give you complete control over your sound. With a compact design and durable housing, the RP1200.1D is a favorite among DIY installers and audio enthusiasts who want big power in a small package. Our third pick is the JL Audio MONOBLOCK amplifier, which targets the audiophile crowd. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this amp includes JL's RIPS, Regulated Intelligent Power Supply, technology that ensures consistent power output regardless of fluctuating voltage or speaker impedance. Rated at 600 watts RMS, this amp delivers tight, clean, and punchy bass that remains stable, even under challenging electrical conditions. The sound quality here is a standout, cleaner and more detailed than many amps in its class. It also features variable crossover controls and preamp outputs for easy system expansion. While it's priced at a premium, the JL/600/1V3 is an investment in sonic fidelity and long-term reliability. If you're looking to run more than just a subwoofer, the ALPINE Class D 4-channel amplifier is a top-tier choice. This amp outputs 80 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohms, or 160 watts at 2 ohms, which is more than enough to drive high-quality component or coaxial speakers. It features ALPINE's signature clean and natural sound reproduction, with plenty of headroom and minimal distortion. The SA32F's compact design makes it easy to mount in tight spaces, and its efficient Class D platform keeps heat generation low. For those upgrading their entire soundstage, this amplifier offers flexibility, clarity, and reliable power distribution to all corners of your car. Last but not least is the ORION COBALT 4-channel amplifier, a beastly AB class amp that delivers over 2,500 watts peak power across 4 channels. This unit can be configured in multiple ways, including bridging to power a subwoofer and a set of speakers, making it ideal for custom installs. With features like adjustable crossover settings, bass boost, and high-level inputs, it adapts to various system needs. Despite its high output, it maintains excellent sound clarity and dynamic response. The ORION COBALT line is known for pushing serious wattage without skimping on build quality. If you're building a versatile and powerful system, this amp gives you the tools to do it right.